Hey everybody, so today we'll be looking at this new emergency light that I have. This was requested a while back. It is this model by Lithonia Lighting, and let's take a look at it. Let's turn this light off because it's making a lot of noise. Sorry for the mess down here. So this is a cool light. It has just a regular reflector head with looks like 12 LEDs. My experience with it is that it's not as bright and wide field of view as the other one I had, but it's a nice design. It looks really clean and modern, and looks well. It's pretty bright. Battery life on this is really good, but the LEDs are not really that bright. But we'll try it out. I'm gonna get my key, which allows me to turn off the power, the electrical to that. We're gonna unplug everything. Pretty dark down here. Put the key in. So, as you can see, it covers the basement pretty well. It is daylight outside, so that kind of gets you a reference to how this light looks. It's off. It's on. So, it's on right now. It's pretty good. I know I have a couple of lights on, but as you can see, it doesn't really do too much. And I don't mean to be negative about the thing, but just my honest opinion. I mean, it does definitely works, but the other one I have is I'd much rather prefer that one. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.